Hey Innovators, welcome back to the channel for our Father's Day edition. Today we're diving into a massive collection of Father's Day goodies on Creative Fabrica. There are so many Father's Day promotions inside Creative Fabrica, it's almost like a daily festival. They have special promotions, free daily bundles, and even a giveaway section that's got everything you need and more. Let's take a few minutes and check it out, shall we? Because dads deserve the same love and fanfare that moms get, right? It doesn't matter if you're looking for ideas to make a unique shirt or mug, or a mouse pad or something else, because there are probably many designs already in here that you can use for any of those applications. So for today, I wanted to share with you a big sale that Creative Fabrica is having. This is their Father's Day sale. There are 4 different parts that are included in this sale, and I'll go over each individual piece separately in just a couple minutes. But first, I just kind of want to give you an overall idea of some of the products that they have inside here. So, you have all different kinds of things that you can choose from here, depending on what kind of things you work with, whether you're a graphic designer, whether you're a crafter, whether you like to needlework, embroidery, or something else. Bundles, whatever, all these are included. But let's look now at just a few of the individual things that are offered here. If you want to make a unique item for any dad, then this is definitely where I would start first. First of all, this one looks really good for dad. It has different designs that you can use to make towels with, and you could probably use this on other things too, like maybe on a t-shirt or wall hanging. Pizza got food. Here we go. There's a lot of them here that would be perfect for dad, all about grilling, and even moms for that matter. Let's see if we choose dad. Let's see what ideas we get then. Here we go. Now there's a lot of product ideas here. So you can see, we can choose whatever different type of item we want to shop for. They also have them divided into categories. There are even freebies if you're interested. And since we're just looking for Father's Day ideas, let's click on that and see what we get. Okay, so there's a lot of things here. Embroidery designs, a lot of those. A box shaped like a beer mug, that's really cool. Designs for t-shirts and other things. So these are really, really nice. Let's get out of that for now and go back to here. So here's all sorts of designs for t-shirts or other things. This is a really nice design. You could personalize this and add your children's name to it. This could make a really beautiful wall art, or even a t-shirt, or a mug, a mouse pad. You could use this design for so many different things. What else? Here is a really cool shirt design for dad. You've got this image for the front, and then on the back you've got this one. Very nice, and quite popular too. If you need something funny, here we go. And if you're looking for an idea for a plaque or a wall hanging, this would be a really nice one. If you want to design a unique coffee mug, here's a few ideas. If your dad is a Star Wars fan, this could be perfect. So you can see, there's so many different things to choose from. Here's a really nice retro design. This is really cute if your dad likes to drink coffee. Here's a patriotic design. Here's a dad font. And some more t-shirt ideas. So that's just a few of the things here. Now imagine if you needed something else for your mom, or for a friend, or a coworker, or if you're making things to sell yourself online or at a craft fair. Do you think you could find a few cool designs in here to work with? So that's just a start of what's here inside of Creative Fabrica. They also have several great tools. They have many bundles. They have freebies. their own AI product you can also use. They also have a design studio that you can work with. But now that you've kind of seen what is included inside Creative Fabrica, let's talk a little bit about their amazing Father's Day deal. This is only available until June 18th, so if you're interested in getting this, you need to do it soon. So, before we get started, I want to point out that this Father's Day promotion on Creative Fabrica has 4 parts to it that we'll go over one at a time. Okay, innovators. First off, let's talk about the All Access Pass for 1 year. Imagine getting 1 whole year, an All Access Pass to over 15 million fonts, graphics, and more for only $47. That's unlimited access to everything on their website. Now just let that sink in for a minute. The regular yearly price is $348. So if you do the math, that's a crazy 86% off. Seriously, this is an amazing deal. Plus, you'll get access to the premium content and also be able to use Studio, their all-in-one design tool. I love using Creative Fabrica. It's a massive time saver whenever I'm making crafts for me, my own print-on-demand products to sell, or creating designs for my friends. So let's talk about part 2 of Creative Fabrica's massive Father's Day sale they are having right now until June 18. Creative Fabrica will be launching 1 free bundle every day. That's 18 free bundles in total from June 1st through June 18 at 10 a.m. Eastern Time every day. So don't miss out on this chance to upgrade your design asset library for free. Remember to mark your calendars, set your reminders, and get ready for lots of crafting fun. Creative Fabrica will also be having daily giveaways. They'll be giving away different kinds of crafting machines, 1 every day for the entire promo period. Entering is simple. Just share and download the free bundle of the day for your opportunity to win a crafting machine of your own. They will announce the winners via their newsletter. Lastly, are you already a Creative Fabrica member? Worried about being left out of the celebration? Don't worry, because they did not forget you either. Here's the deal. If you already have a yearly all-access subscription, now you can extend your subscription by 1 year for just $47. Current subscribers, if you grab this amazing deal now, you can extend your current subscription and save big. In fact, you can purchase for the discounted price as many times as you'd like. Think about it, if you wanted to, you could move your renewal date all the way up to 2030 and secure a big discount. Who else offers discounts like that? Wow, wasn't that amazing? From laser cut files, t-shirt designs, book interiors to sublimation designs, Creative Fabrica has truly outdone themselves for Father's Day. Which design are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to use the link in the description to unlock this incredible all-access deal, because it's only available for a short time. And if this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.